Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to activate Walmart Moneycard. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Walmart, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So actually there are few ways to do this. So you can one way is to contact the Walmart customer support in order to address your problem there, and they can help you to address your problem. So if you want, you can just go to the Walmart customer service page, just go to their contact pages and you will see this number. So I don't want to go to the Walmart contact page. I'm just going to show you this number, so you can just contact this number and ask for the customer service to activate your card, or gives you a guidelines on how to activate your card. Or you can just activate your Walmart money card by yourself by going on the Walmart money card website. So if you go to the Walmart MoneyCard website, right here, you can just, click activate card right here on the top right corner. And after that, you will be redirected to this page. So right here, if you have your card ready, just input your 16-digit card number right here, your expiration date, and also your 3-digit security code. And after you input all of that, just click this I'm not a robot, and you will need to complete a security check problem. And after you complete all of that, just click next, and yeah, just continue all the steps. So because you are now you are seconds away from using your new Walmart money card, and just follow all the instruction left until you activate your card. And yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.